Today I'll talk about durability and maintenance of dental implants after the whole treatment is completed. Dental implants last a long time as long as you take care of them. Just like our natural teeth, dental implants need regular maintenance just to keep them clean and in top shape. Are you a good candidate for dental implants? You are if you're in a good medical condition and if your oral health is good as well. You should not be having gum disease. You should not be having any oral diseases like untreated decay. If that is the case, then you're a good candidate for dental implants. So how do you care for your dental implants after your treatment is done? You want to brush them normally like you brush your natural teeth. You spend at least 30 seconds in each part of your mouth. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 2 minutes in total. You also floss in between your teeth and between your teeth and your implants, so food doesn't get stuck. And if you can, you should use a water flosser as well. A water flosser helps to flush food from in between the teeth and between the teeth and the implants. So that helps to make sure that your gum is in good shape, and if your gum is in good shape, the bone underneath is in good shape as well. That gives the implants the longest possible life. If looked after properly, dental implants are for life.